Are you looking for the best carry-on luggage? In this video we will look at some of best carry-on luggage. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Level 8 Hard Shell Carry-On. The Level 8 Hard Shell Carry-On is a great mix of durability and style, perfect for travelers who want a compact, airline-approved suitcase. Its textured hard shell looks sleek and is also scratch-resistant, so it stays looking new even after many trips. This 20-inch carry-on is designed for easy travel. The 360-degree spinner wheels make it smooth to roll through airports, and its lightweight build makes it simple to lift into overhead bins. It also comes with a TSA-approved lock, so your belongings stay safe during the journey. Inside, you'll find organized compartments and cross straps to keep your items in place, making packing and unpacking quick and easy. Overall, Level 8 has built a carry-on that not only looks stylish but also performs reliably, a smart choice for frequent travelers. Number 4. SwissGear Sion. Soft-side expandable carry-on. The SwissGear Sion soft-side expandable carry-on is a fantastic blend of functionality and affordability, ideal for travelers looking for a reliable and spacious soft-side option. This 21-inch carry-on boasts smooth, multi-directional spinner wheels that make navigating through airports and streets a breeze. Made from durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric, it's designed to withstand daily travel rigors while keeping your belongings protected. The bag's main compartment is spacious, with an expandable zipper for additional packing capacity, giving you more room when needed. The interior of the SwissGear Sion features plenty of organizational pockets, including a wet pouch and mesh storage, keeping items separated and easily accessible. The padded top handle makes it comfortable to carry, and the reinforced zipper closure ensures that all your belongings are securely stored. SwissGear's reputation for durable, high-quality travel gear makes this an excellent choice for anyone seeking a practical, budget-friendly carry-on that doesn't compromise functionality or style. Number 3. Samsonite Freeform Hardside. Expandable carry-on. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside expandable carry-on is all about sleek style and durable construction, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer hardside luggage. Its minimalist, modern design is paired with ultra-lightweight materials, which means it's easy to handle without compromising strength. The double spinner wheels provide impressive maneuverability, and the expandable feature allows for added packing space when needed, making it a versatile choice for trips of all lengths. Made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate, the Freeform is built to handle the rigors of travel while maintaining a polished, new appearance. Inside, the Samsonite Freeform offers a range of organizational features, including cross straps, dividers, and multiple pockets, making packing and accessing essentials hassle-free. The TSA-approved lock ensures your belongings are secure, giving you peace of mind. Its lightweight design and streamlined look make it a fantastic choice for travelers who want a reliable, eye-catching carry-on. Samsonite's trusted reputation and commitment to quality make this carry-on a great investment for anyone looking to combine practicality with a modern aesthetic. Number 2. Briggs & Riley Baseline Spinners. The Briggs & Riley Baseline 21-inch global carry-on is made with durability and ease in mind, making it a top choice for those who want luxury and function in a single piece of luggage. This soft-side carry-on features a high-strength ballistic nylon exterior that resists dirt, moisture, and abrasions, perfect for frequent travelers who expect their luggage to look great trip after trip. Its CX expansion compression system allows you to pack more, then compresses down to fit the carry-on size restrictions. The smooth rolling spinner wheels and aircraft-grade aluminum handle ensure that this carry-on maneuvers like a dream, whether you're navigating narrow aisles or busy streets. Briggs & Riley has designed this bag with the ultimate protection plan in mind, offering their simple as that lifetime warranty, even covering damage caused by airlines. The interior organization is impressive, with a large garment section, multiple pockets, and cinch-down straps to keep your clothes neatly arranged. The thoughtful design and high-quality materials ensure this carry-on meets the needs of the most discerning travelers, making it well worth the investment for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish travel companion. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite. Soft-side expandable carry-on. The Travelpro Platinum Elite soft-side expandable carry-on is the go-to for savvy travelers who prioritize flexibility and convenience. This 21-inch carry-on is designed for efficiency with its 8-wheel spinner system, which gives smooth, 360-degree rotation to glide effortlessly through busy terminals. One of its standout features is the built-in USB port, making it easy to charge devices on the go, ideal for staying connected while traveling. Made with high-density nylon fabric and a DuraGuard coating, this luggage is water and stain resistant, ensuring it stands up to the wear and tear of frequent travel. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed suitor for wrinkle-free clothing and ample compartments to keep essentials organized and accessible. This carry-on expands by up to 2 inches, giving you that extra space when you need it without compromising its sleek, compact design. The leather top and side handles add a touch of elegance, while its strong zippers and ergonomic, adjustable power scope light handle ensure easy handling. Travelpro's attention to detail and lifetime limited warranty covering airline damage make this a worthwhile investment for short getaways and business trips. And that wraps up our top picks for the best carry-on luggage. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.